Man, I'll tell you, the new track, this new facility, everything's super exciting. They've put in, Lindamood Construction's put in a ton of work out here, and you can tell they're really showing their support for the series. Brian, everybody's just coming together, and I think this new facility is going to be phenomenal. I know that there's still a lot to work to be done, but you can tell the direction they're wanting to go with it and what their plan is. And they've already done a ton of work, but there's still a lot to be done. But all in all, it's going to be a phenomenal facility.
Super excited about it. Looks fast. The dirt is absolutely amazing. I think it's going to be blue groove super quick. I think SE1s are going to work amazing, and I can't wait to get out on it and test all the track. It looks great.
I got out here and Brian's been hyping this thing up for weeks, and I get out here and it's just like, dude, you haven't even done anything. I just see mud, water, and dirt. That's it. Nope. Not even anything remotely looking like a racetrack. Oh. Here at Oak Hill, Brian asked me to come out this morning and check it out and see what I thought. They got a ton of rain last night, but the beautiful thing is it's not that muddy. So a few spots that are holding water. The track needs, you know, a couple little tweaks here and there, but they've got a really sweet layout. Something I think everybody's going to be pumped on is right here you've got this beautiful grassy hill and you can see the entire track. So definitely been doing a lot of work out here and it's going great. I'm excited to see what it looks like in a couple more weeks.